What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the ny&zo show. This is my sister,
Nye.
And I'm Zo. We are in the heart of DC. Today, what we doing?
We are going to be testing Bird versus Lyft scooters. We're going to determine which one is faster and just compare the differences.
Yep, show y'all some of the differences. Come along with us for the ride. We're gonna show you a little bit of DC. Show y'all what y'all missing if y'all not in the DMV area. Come on.
Let's go. All right, first up, we need to find a scooter. These Bird scooters are so popular. So we easily found a Lyft scooter, but the Bird scooters just haven't found one yet. So I gave Fonzo my Lyft scooter so he can go find a Bird one. So he just went off to go find one. Hopefully he did. And I'm about to go try and find him. We're definitely lost. Good news, I found Fonzo. He has a scooter and he has my scooter. All right.
Found the ride, huh?
So you finally found a scooter and it has a low battery. Are you serious?
Yeah.
All right, off again to go find a Bird scooter with a better battery. With my scooter, by the way. Did I mention that? He has my scooter.
Oh, good.
What happened now, Fonzo?
You see the situation behind me.
Somebody stole it. That guy. And he's off again with my scooter. Thank you, Fonzo. Let's see.
I want to use this one.
Alright. And I'm finally reunited with my scooter. I got it back, guys. I got it back.
Come a little closer. $1 to start. How much was the Lyft to start?
15 cents.
Oh, they're both $1 to start.
What else we got?
We got a bell on the
Ring the bell, ring the bell. Oh, okay. Cool. To go, you just like, and then you stop. Pretty simple. Here's mine. Pretty much built the same way. Mine is just a little bit more powerful. And then you scan it. This is how you scan it and stuff like that. $1 to start. And then I have a little bell as well.
Alright guys, we found a good place to race. We about to set up. I'll show y'all which one of these is faster. Let's get it. Wasn't even close. Wasn't close. What happened? Alright, that was a practice one. We're gonna run it back for y'all. Same result. Alright guys, this time around we're gonna switch scooters and see if it's the rider or the scooter that's causing Naya to come in last place every time.
It's the scooter. It's the scooter.
Alright, let's get it.
Alright.
I'm on out the camera now. Oh. Good day out here.
Well, I mean. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. We gotta try to run home because it literally is about to rain in about 2 minutes.
This is a cool day though. Which scooter do you prefer?
I definitely, hands down, without question, prefer Bird Scooter. Only because it's lightweight and it's a lot faster.
Yeah, Bird is the most popular one. It was the first one here. I prefer Bird as well because their Lyft scooters for people 12 and under, but they require you have a driver's license.
It doesn't make any sense. But now we know why it took Fonzo almost like 40 minutes to find one.
They
to get one. Yeah, they snatched them up real quick, and now we know why. It makes sense. All right, so if you ever come to DC and you want to get a scooter, you know which one to try. If you want us to review more scooters, there are like so many different other brands.
If you want us to review Lime or Uber or Skip, you can leave a like on this video.
So many scooters, but yeah,
comment, let us know which one.
Share this video. Oh, Fonzo, the winner of our giveaway.
She knows who she is.
You picked the winner. And let me just say this: she won because she followed the instructions. Some of y'all just wrote y'all favorite video but didn't say why. So you know, next time we do a giveaway, make sure you follow the instructions to the T so you can win our next giveaway. All right guys, that wraps it up.
Like this video, comment down below, share, let us know what you want to see next.
All right, we'll see you next time.